In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase your ad packs using coin payments. This is the back office, and I'm in a test account here. From the menu up here, you would go to Finance, Purchase Ad Packs. Now we have the ad packs grouped in 3, 7, 15, 31, 63, and 127. What this does is actually allows you to build out multiple levels of your downline with your own positions. And what that does, it actually increases or allows you to leverage multiple levels of pay in the matrix. So it's something you want to consider when you first enroll. So let's just say that I'm going to choose the $30 package, which is 15 ad packs, which would fill my first 3 levels with my own positions. I would click on that. And then here you would want to choose coin payments because we're paying direct with coin payments here. Then purchase now. And then the next button is going to come up. It says pay using coin payments. We'll click that. It's going to take you over to coin payments. And we've already got the script set here where it's going to populate your email address and your first and last name. Now, when you get here, you would want to choose either Ethereum or Ether, Litecoin, or Bitcoin. These are the 3 coins that we're accepting as payment. Most popular by far is Bitcoin. So we're going to choose Bitcoin here. And then we're going to say complete payment. And when you click this complete payment button, it's going to pull up a pop-up here. Now, you do not have to pay with coin payments. I want to make that very clear. You do not have to pay with coin payments. If you have a coin payments account, then by all means use it. But I'm going to show you, I will go over to my blockchain account. So what I would do is I would copy this Bitcoin address and copy it. I would come into my blockchain account, or you can use Coinbase or whatever wallet you have. Hit the send button, and then I would drop that address in here. And then I would go back to coin payments, and you want to be sure and send the exact amount of Bitcoin shown through 8 decimal points here. Really, you got to do it through 6, but it always populates 8. And then I would copy that and then come back over into here, and I would enter the Bitcoin right here. And you would see that's $30.57. And I always put a description in here. That's one thing I like about blockchain is I can kind of code that, and it records it at the value on the date that I send it. And then I would send that, and as soon as you get 2 confirmations, the payment will complete here. And about 20 minutes later, 15, 20 minutes after completion, it will populate into your back office. And we have it so that it automatically purchases for you. You do not have to, worry about, coming back in and purchasing the ad pack. When it completes, your 15 ad packs will be automatically purchased for you. And it is that simple. That's how you pay direct using coin payments from your back office under the Finance Purchase Ad Pack tab. If you have any questions about that, reach out to your sponsor or send in a support ticket, and we'll be happy to help you get your payment processed and get your packs purchased. Thank you.